Dogs, andito na naman kami. Meron tayong English Comment Trending Challenge! English only lang ha. Titignan natin.
B, what you watching?
Yes, I see. Because Diwata give Rosemar to Carl. Oh my God!
Oh,
Sana all! Wow! Before, Rosemar is...
sleeping inside in the house, in the pet in the house. You should know in the pet in the house.
Yung kapit mo, wag niya kaming idamay-damay kung ano-anong ginagawa niyang mga istorya para sa aming pamilya dahil
You know, in the pet in the house?
Yeah.
I think Rosemar...
Or before, after yaman.
Yes, for before after rich. Yes. God, Rosemar is very successfully of the life.
Yes.
Bea, what you think? What you think, Rosemar?
I don't think so.
Why? Why I don't think so?
Because I'm
Bea, what do you think, Rosemar?
ugly.
Why ugly you?
Because I'm red dyed.
What?
I'm
Red?
red dyed.
What red dyed?
This one is red and this put in your modest like this and this is the point like that.
Point like that.
Yes.
Point like that is, you know right?
Yeah.
You know right, mga kadogs? Modest, tabal with...
You get yes, you see?
Yes, you know, caveats.
Roswell is very more blessing to come because Iwata is more blessing.
Yeah, right. Diwata is very nice to think. I think God is Rosemar to weigh the give. God, Rosemar? Huh? Hindi. Oy! Bea, you remember Diwata before the influencer is boogieboogie.com, you know, right?
What the boogie.com be?
Boogieboogie.com, nabugbog siya noon, di ba na-post? Di ba?
Oh, di ba? Nakakaput
Post, di ba?
Remember yan?
Yeah, you remember?
Yes, I remember.
Yes. Hey, Rosemar and Diwata!
Yes.
Super thankful the Diwata. You're so very nice, Rosemar. Yes. Don't worry, no, Rosemar.
Basher.
Bea and me, no basher.
Yes.
Because me and Bea is your supportive fans. Because Bea and Hannah is Team Dogs. Ow! Ow! Rosemar, kaya, what do you think? What do you do? I go to the two.
Yes.
To do.
To do.
Yes. Anything someone else and you and me are so...
Oh.
You think? Beautiful? You think?